All right, this is a continuous video from the last video. Um, as we can see, I anticipated, or if the word is predicted, but based on technical analysis and how the banks move and how this market works, I said in my last video about how gold was destined to go to the upside on a strong bullish run. Okay, so I showed you guys how this actually took place. So look, I am anticipating gold to go to the value of gold to go to 2,000. Okay, so you could buy and hold. You could buy and hold. It might be a little retracement around 1850 and continue the push. And as we can see here at the DXY, as you can see here at the DXY, the DXY has broken a significant high on the downside. But you have to remember the overall direction of this is an uptrend. So it's just doing what it does. It comes down, then it goes back up. So for now, it's just taking advantage of the gold going up and the dollar coming down. Or uh, we wait for a bull signal for the dollar sign, which will help us trade the other pairs. Um, So if the dollar is going up, that's when we'll sell. We're gonna sell the other currency pairs. So I left my alert right underneath the line. Okay, so it's gonna go off in a couple seconds. So this is pretty straightforward. All right. So Euro USD is also doing the same. It's flying like a bird. Um, So yeah, yesterday gold one candle took forever to move. I was wondering why one candle was taking forever to move, but I guess it's part of what it is, and the banks hadn't made a decision to move the market yet, and I encourage you guys to trade in the higher time frames. You can trade in all time frames. Don't be picky. As Q Bank always says, don't be picky. I learned that from him. Also, you wanna evaluate from all given time frames. Don't be stuck on one given time frame. Okay. So let's look at GBP. GBP USD, it loves to fly just like GBP JPY. So yeah, this is the other trade. It seems to be having a great recovery to the upside after the FOMC news. What we're looking forward to is a retouch to 1.142, um, a little bit of consolidation. Let's see how it goes. Then maybe to the downside. All right, so let's see. That's 100. I anticipated a fall, and not really much of a setup going on here. But it's forming its bearish candlestick confirmation pattern. So we look at the DXY once more. The US dollar, sorry, the US dollar is dropping in value. So gold is going up. Just waiting for my alert system to confirm the full analysis that I made, and it's only a couple pips away from it. So this is a video just to stay updated based on the last video I dropped, and just look, it's so beautiful. Look at how the whole thing comes together. The DXY has broken the line. You can hit me up for Zoom call mentorship. I'll be glad. I want to help somebody to learn how to trade. It's a process. It's not a get rich quick scheme. I mean, it's easy to get blinded by it, but it's a process, it's a skill set, and shout out to Alpha Male Strategies. He said you have to learn a skill set, um, and I took that to heart, and coming across Swaggy C, I decided to take this as a skill set. God bless Swaggy. So if you want to have the skill set, and I can show you how we do this, you can hit me up in my email, Samuel_Jones91 at yahoo.com. Um, it's only $100. I'm gonna offer you a free training as to the ins and outs of how this actually works. Um, so this is very interesting. So I'm just waiting for the alert system to fully confirm to me that the all right. So my alert system is at 91.449. 91.49. The dollar is dropping pretty hard in the morning. Let's look at gold. Gold is gone up. Gold is gone up. Gold is gone up. So you always want to keep your chart simple, um, so you can see price for what it is. The reason why, nothing against indicators, but the human psychology behind indicators is that before you place a trade, okay, your mind is going to 100,000 different places. And the worst thing you could do is add more indicators. So that means now you got to think about, oh, what these other lagging indicators are trying to tell you. So it screws you over. So keep your work simple. And if you have just one hour, maybe an hour sale, just something very simple. So the whole point is to see price for what it is. Like, comment, subscribe, share to people with similar interests who want to learn how to trade the currencies. And I'm available for coaching and mentorship. So value of gold is going up, US dollar going down. Move your stop loss into profit. Always do that. So at least you know that you took something off the table. The next FOMC news is around July 20, is it 27th, 28th. Um, you got to embrace yourself for that. All right. Yeah. USD is flying like a bird. Full bullish power. Bullish confirmation power. The bulls are in control, recovering from the attack of the bears from last week. Strong pull from the FOMC, anticipating attached to the trend line. And if it breaks through the trend line, we might be going up from here, but we might be probably looking for a downtrend. Probably looking for a couple sells after the buy is exhausted on the RSI to probably 75, 85, 80, 100. So let's look at GBP. GBP USD is flying like a bird. But GBP AUD seems to have a mind of its own. Oh yeah, I knew it was coming down, but look, so many fake outs and wicks before the banks made their decision. But yeah, you could sell this pair, but I trade this pair with caution, man. Fibonacci retracement. All right, so my fib. Always draw your fibs the right way. I can show you the right way to draw the fibs because it's very important how you place these things. Okay, so let me see what's going on here. Okay, so yeah, this pair. Sometimes you could tell from the crazy wicks that there was a lot of manipulation, so they could push the price down. Unfortunately, but it probably looks like it's safer to buy this pair, but you don't want to be biased about it. The GBP is coming to the downside as anticipated for the big move for what it was supposed to do. So it seems like GBP AUD correlates with the US dollar. in terms of having the same movement. Back to the US dollar. Yeah. All right. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gold is having a beautiful recovery. Beautiful recovery. All right. So this was just to touch base on my recent video. Like, comment, subscribe, share it to people with similar interests. Um, and always remember to keep it simple and see price for what it is. You're officially in the bull market until a bear market confirmation takes place. All right. You guys have a lovely week.